Ma'am, parang kwento-kwento lang yan. There's no such thing as zero MOE. There's no such thing as zero budget either.
Pero wala raw kung AX or MAIF, yung Jensen.
Ma'am, that's impossible. Saan mo yan narinig?
Yun po ang sabi ni...
Ipa-verify mo muna dapat.
Yun po ang sabi ni Congregate.
Hindi, sabi-sabi. Yan ang sinabi mo. Yan ang narinig mo. Verify mo ba?
Yun po ang...
No. Answer my question. Verify mo ba? Verify mo ba? Verify mo ba, yes or no? Okay, so next time, ma'am, i-verify muna natin bago natin itanong para hindi lang kwento.
Siya po ang
Okay?
nag-verify.
Hindi, tinatanong kita. Di ba, as journalists, it's also our responsibility to verify the information that comes to us before we ask those who are being interviewed.
Yes. kaya
Okay,
nga po
so next time,
nagtatanong sa'yo,
yes
pero
po ma'am.
wala
So
man.
next time, let's just verify. Kasi before that, kwento-kwento lang yan. As far as I know po, wala pong zero na ganun. Lalo na sa Jensen, who would be so stupid to do that? I mean, really. Thank you.